Morning traders. Okay, so we are in a bit of a weird time at the moment. The robot is not taking a lot of trades. Okay, and I'll show you why. Okay, it has things built into it that sorry, I'm just getting my drawing tools out. It has things built into it to stop it trading in flat markets. Okay, so like things like that, we don't want to trade in. We can trade in some flat markets. So for instance, this has an ATR of 34 pips. You can see here that's dropping, so it may become that it's untradeable very soon. If we've got 34 pips, we can normally go safe, so just in case there's a breakout. But we also have rules that say we can't trade the same pair like in the last 10 trades. So for instance, in the order history, if it sees, so for instance, if it took a short here, and then in fact there is a short signal here, it hasn't taken it because it took that short. It went safe, stopped out in profit, but now we're not going to take this short because that one tells us not to take it. So we need to wait until such time as there's some more trades. So virtually everything is hardly moving. Look at this. ATR of 28 pips means we're not trading this at the moment. If this indicator at the bottom here is available on the MetaTrader 4 marketplace. So this shows us what the average true range is over 4 hour 14 periods. It's designed for the 4 hour chart, but I can see when to trade. So because if this is too small, it means that I can't make my trade safe. So for instance, you'll find that dollar Swiss, it won't trade it at all. Again, there's a little bit of movement here, but it's just really, I'm looking for sells on this pair anyway. You can see the daily trend is down. So although it may turn into a bullish trend, at the moment it's flat as a pancake. Flat as a pancake, that's a British term. Same thing on Euro Yen. We had a short yesterday which we made about 25 pips profit in it because we take 2 trades. I've got no trades on at all. Again, this is mostly actually a bearish trend, very slightly bearish. You see these ribbons on Strobot view that tell me what's going on. So I can look and see whether the robot's working properly. Looking for longs here, but again, it's really choppy, horrible markets. And we're not the only ones that are suffering with these markets. We're not making a lot of profit. Even our scalping is pretty limited at the moment. I was watching one of my favourite manual traders, Hunter FX. Go check him out. And he's having trouble as well. Everyone's having trouble in these markets. They are flat as a pancake that you cannot. We need volatility to make money. I mean, this is just, look, you can see down here all this red. That means we ain't trading it. Okay, this indicate the maths for that is all built into this anyway. But we're trading this one, with small profits. So let's just have a look at this. So our entry is always at the top of the candle. Probably going to make 60 pips profit in that one. What's this one doing? That went 60 pips, came back again. You can see the targets are now too big because the markets are flat, but the targets will adjust themselves over time. We are overall bearish, so we're only taking sell trades. So you can see where there's nothing, everything, Aussie yen, all the same picture again and again. Flat, boring markets that are not going anywhere. You know, we've had for the last, since, look at this one there, we had FOMC. Since FOMC basically this has happened, we need something to break out. See, this looks like a lot. Alright, this looks like a lot. This pair's only trading 35 pips ATR on a 4 hour chart, 14 candles. So that means that this is nothing. This looks like a lot, but it's nothing. It's not going anywhere. You know, it managed, what did it manage here? Look, it managed, what, 76 pips? Okay, everybody, there are no traders that will, the only traders that won't struggle in this are very long-term traders. But short-term traders, day traders, are going to be struggling in this. Sell there. Makes 80 pips, pulls back here. Probably makes, it does actually make it 100 and something pips. And actually this has an ATR of 33, so we will be looking for shorts on this pair. I think we'll get a couple of trades today, but again, because of the situation in the market, the robot automatically just pulls back and says, I ain't trading this. It's not worth my money. not worth throwing the money away. And that's quite a recent thing, some of the additions to it, because of the flat markets, been able to build in some additions to that. We want to be trading in this huge moves, big, nice, big, chunky moves, not this ridiculous flatness. So the reason this is happening, I don't know. I think there's something big coming that's going to really shift the markets. It could be as big as, when the euro was departed from the Swiss and it dropped like 1,000 points in under a second. I think it could be as big as that. Is it coronavirus causing this? I don't know. Is it just that there's a lack of trading going on of commodities? I don't know. If we have a look at, I'll have a quick look at oil. I didn't mean to put the data in that. Let's just have a quick look at. I mean, it may be that we. Sorry, that's the wrong thing. I need markets. Okay, so it may be that we start looking at trading things like oil, because in fact, what happened? The money has to go somewhere. So maybe the money is going into oil and things like that. Yes, in fact, oil's hardly managing anything anyway. We wouldn't be trading this. But there's nothing going into that. Let's have a look at gold, see if there's anything going into gold, see what these shares as well. XRG USD, this is silver. See what we think of this. Give it a second. Choppy as hell, isn't it? And it's not got a big enough ATR for us to trade it, but yep, everything's the same in gold. What is going on in the markets? I don't know. I'm going to do some research. I'm going to see if anyone has any ideas. Talk to a few trader friends of mine. There's not this. See, this looks huge. This looks like it's making big moves, but it's like 9 pip ATR. These are tiny moves, so that's why you'll see that this all red. So the robot wouldn't trade this anyway. So there you go. So I hope that's helpful. So basically, I will go and look into why the markets are so flat and there's so little movement, because we need volatility to be able to make money, because obviously we're relying on the movements in the market. Anyway, well done traders, have a great day. Cheers, bye. Oh, it's strobotultimate.com, by the way. Did I tell you that? You need that, strobotultimate.com. And hopefully we'll be making bucket loads of money very soon when the markets start moving again.